Do you want your PayPal account to look like this or this? Then we have a solution for you. We are going to introduce a method that you can do in less than a minute and can be repeated as many times as you want. You don't need to worry because this method is available worldwide. You do not need experience, and there is no cost to start because it's 100% free. You can do this on your phone or computer, and all it takes is just a couple of clicks of a button and you can start immediately. So what are you waiting for? Let's begin now. Before we start, make sure to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell down below to be aware of the new videos that we will be posting on our channel about easy ways to make money online. You can also post your comments if you have any questions or insights. Sounds good? Then let's get started. The website that we are going to use is Paydera.com. Paydera.com is a site where you can get paid by doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. No country redirection, instant payment requests, and both mobile and desktop users are accepted. Tasks that Paydera offers are sign-up tasks, signing up and subscribing to other websites and offers. Completing surveys. They are offering multiple surveys available for you to complete. Uploading videos. Inviting friends, referring your friends to this website and make a good revenue. Writing articles and posting about Paydera and get paid for it. This is an all-in-one place of unlimited earning, and as of today, Paydera has around 930,000 members, 7 million tasks completed, and over 1 million payments sent to different users. If you are having doubts about this website or if you think that this website is a scam, all you need to do is just scroll down at the bottom. You can see a button labeled Check Proofs and Reviews. When you click this button, a new tab will appear and you will see all the reviews and proofs of checkouts by other users on this website. This page is updated regularly by new reviews and proofs. When you scroll down the page, you can see all the reviews and proofs of payments by all users around the world that use this website. Users from Algeria, India, Mexico, France, and other countries have used this platform and earned money from it. This website is safe and 100% free. If that all cleared your doubts, then let's get started. Before you can start earning, you first have to create an account. Creating an account is free and easy. All you have to do is go to the website Paydera.com and at the upper right corner, click on Create an Account button and start making money. You can make 15% more for all your completed tasks if you join today. You just need to put in your first name, last name, username, email address, and password. And when you're done filling those up, just click the Sign Up and Create My Account button and you're good to go. Then now you can log into your newly created account and start earning. You can now see your dashboard and on it, you see your total earnings and referral link. And if you scroll down, you can see tasks that you can do right away once you log in. At the left side of your dashboard, you can see different tasks that you can complete such as submitting videos, completing micro tasks, completing different tasks, answering surveys, answering quizzes, making online reviews, and receive commissions for inviting your friends to use Paydera. For referring a friend, you can use the referral link found in your dashboard. And for every friend or person you invite using your referral link, you can earn at least 10 cents per valid referral. You can also view your payment history, request for payment, and set up your payment method by configuring your payment settings. The payment method that they mainly use is PayPal. So if you have PayPal account, then you can link it to your account at Paydera and you are good to go. When you click on the Tasks section, you will be greeted with so many tasks that you can do on your mobile phone or desktop. The Tasks section also has surveys that you can answer. Offers such as playing a game or installing an app is an easy thing to do and it won't take much of your time. One example we can do is to go to the desktop offers and look for tasks to complete. We can do this offer which tells us to register to a website. Sounds simple enough. If we complete the task, we are immediately paid by Paydara. You must be wondering, why are the rewards so low? The website will only give you 16 cents, 17 cents, or 9 cents by completing an offer. We know that it is not enough money. However, for every 10 tasks you complete, your earnings will double. So let's say, for example, you have completed 10 tasks and the total money you earned was 500 cents. That money will double since you have completed 10 tasks and your total money earned will be around $10. One easy way to earn money in Paydara is answering surveys, which is the easiest thing to do. All you have to do is go to the survey section and click on any survey that you want to do. You can do these surveys as many times as you want and you can earn money easily. We will show you a tip on how you can earn double the amount for answering surveys. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to hit the like button or share your thoughts and questions about the video in the comment section down below. So let's go back to the video. Let's try and answer one survey. You can choose any survey that you want to answer. For this video, we will choose this one. The survey will ask you many questions such as what year you were born, what languages you speak, and many more. You can just simply pick any answer that you want and complete the survey to get the rewards. You don't need to think over your answers. Just pick any answer in the survey and just click next because you don't actually check the answers. You can do one survey in less than a minute and you can earn up to $100 just by answering surveys. Neat, right? You can also answer quizzes in Paydara. Quizzes are similar to surveys, but you have to get the right answer in order to get paid. You need to have a specific number of correct answers to get paid. You don't need to worry if you don't know the answer for some questions. All you have to do is do a quick Google search of the question to know the answer. The quizzes do not have a time limit, so feel free to search any questions that you are having a hard time answering. See? There are a lot of ways that you can earn money here in less than a minute. From answering surveys to answering quizzes, doing some tasks and referring your friends. The list goes on, and you don't need to worry about running out of tasks to do because Paydara has a lot of tasks to give to you so that you can earn money here consistently and easily. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you on the next video.